Well, here we are, folks, another glorious day in Northamptonshire, England. I'm stuck in a lay-by on the A14 heading westbound towards the M6 and on up to Birmingham for my usual morning pick-up and delivery. But the truck's developed an electronic fault which is buggering up the engine management, and I've had to pull into a lay-by and ring up my boss, and he's rang up the mechanic who's coming out, and he's hopefully going to plug in his laptop and work his magic and clear the fault, and I can be on my way. Another long and shit day ahead. It's actually quite frightening sat in here. Between me and the traffic that's hurtling past, I've only got about the width of a car, and all it takes is for one, I don't know, silly bit of driving, and I'm going to have an Arctic going straight into me, and that's it. I could be seriously injured or even killed. Let's have a look in the wing mirror and you can see what I mean. And this is only a 7.5 ton truck I'm driving now. I don't drive the big ones now. But, yeah, at least it's given me a chance to catch up on YouTube videos. I just watched Harris Pilton's one, and yeah, Bill Vinyl Lists, you're next. Oh well, let's see what happens. Bye for now.